Welcome to Wake Up and Live with Bob. If you're wondering where we are, today we are in Montego Bay, my hometown of Montego Bay. But most people who are born here or live here, you will remember the spot as being what we call Dump Up Beach. Dump Up because the beach was part of it was dumped up to form a very, very prime land. And anyone who remembered how it used to be, this has turned out to be a beautiful park they built on the beach. So I'm just going to give you a few little snippets and panoramic views of everything. All right, so just over the hill, for those of you who know, that's the Catholic Church that belongs to Mount Alvernia High School, a Catholic high school. To the left, to the right here, over on this side, is part of downtown Montego Bay. I don't remember that mall. That's a mall there. I think it's called Bay West Center Mall, and a host of other restaurants over there, KFC and Pizza Hut and a whole bunch of other things over there. But the facilities at this park is what I really want to talk about. It is amazing. They have changing rooms everywhere, water fountains, sprinklers, showers, the beach itself. Take a look at the beach. The beach is all well set up. The sun the sun is at a disadvantage for me, so I don't want to go out there because the video is gonna be poor because the sun is so hot up in the sky. It's really blazing out there, but you can see all the lifeguard stations all along here. It's properly set up. Towards that end used to be what they call Walter Fletcher Beach. I think it was changed to some other name, but I just want to give you an idea. And over there it's hard to see because the sun is like really blazing hot. That's Freeport over that section over there, but yes, I'm kind of hiding in the shade. And we see some construction going on over in the west. They're still doing some. That's towards Pier 1 nightclub, if you're familiar with the area. So I'll be giving you snippets and a little preview of what's happening around the park. Okay, so we're down on the beach. You can see the beach is well set up. Nice stations, nice lifeguard stations, well packed. They said the beach is closed today, but the beach is actually full. That's Freeport over on the other side. For those of you who know, you can see the harbor with the ships over on that side. And everyone's having a very, very good time. Pretty much social distancing, but it's the outdoors, so people are being careful still. But yeah, they're having certainly a good time. And I'm gonna take you down looks more like a broad walk or a walkway, and take a look at some more scenes. Okay, so on the southern section of the park, oh, by the way, the park is called Harmony Park. It's no longer called Dump Up Beach, well, Harmony Park. But this, I guess you could call this a broad walk. That's the southern end of it, and then I'm gonna go down the northern end of it, just to give you an idea of what the facilities are actually like. Very good facilities. I'm very impressed with what they did with this park. I mean, over the years, a lot of investors have been bidding for this property for hotels, but they figure if this actually blocks off the wind going into the city, which is to this direction, it will actually create a elevated temperature in that area. But as you can see, there's lots of little stores along the broad walk. Some of them are closed today, but you can see one One patty shop is open, and a whole lot more. You can see them going all the way down to that side. They're like all along here. So the facilities here is excellent. Park benches, the boardwalk, and it runs all along the beach, as you can see, all along the beach. And they have done just a wonderful job. Look at the stretch of stores along here. Look at the facilities, restroom facilities, and everything that's actually listed along here. See, they have good restroom facilities, male, female, along, and they're very good park security, and so forth. And yeah, it's just, I mean, it goes all the way out there to that big building. Actually, sorry, to that gazebo way out on the other side of the building. And this is excellent. Basketball court over here. So many hangout spots there. See, more patty shops, more recreational center over there, and a huge basketball court over here. Their locker rooms, rented facilities, and stuff. A whole lot of different things. The trees are excellent, nice old trees. I remember them from way back, and they have now come of age, and they're providing very, very good shade for the visitors who actually come here. All right, I am just so impressed with the city. There's a huge recreational center over on that side. There's playgrounds and everything. This is, I mean, this is it is excellent. See, huge recreational center over there for functions. That is Gloucester Avenue, for those who know Gloucester Avenue over there. And just a view of the court and so forth. This is an excellent facility. Okay, so in one video I did, you know, I'm sure you all remember me complaining that the government of Jamaica was actually taking too much of Montego Bay's tourist tax dollars, tax revenue, to spend on building Kingston. Well, I must say I'm very pleased to see the way Montego Bay's tax dollar has been spent on this particular facility. This is, I think they're still doing construction, so they're developing that part of the beach later on, I think. But you can see the beach is jam-packed. They say the beach is closed, but not in Jamaica. You don't close the beach on Jamaicans. So you can see the beach is jam-packed. There is still more construction off in the distance over there going on. I'm very, very pleased with this facility. Very pleased. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is really awesome. For most of you who remember Upper Deck Hotel, that's Upper Deck Hotels up on the hill. It's no longer a hotel, by the way. I still say Upper Deck, but it's no longer Upper Deck Hotel. It's some apartment buildings they have up there. But look at this facility. This is really nice. This is top-notch facility, and I'm really proud of how they spend our tax dollars, because you know, in about 2 or 3 videos I did complain you know, strongly about how the government of Jamaica continued to use Montego Bay's tourist tax dollars to develop Kingston, build big roads and big facilities in Kingston, and not for Montego Bay. And Montego Bay is the hub, the foreign exchange earner of Jamaica. It's Montego Bay's foreign exchange earnings, then the money remittance from abroad that follows. And if Montego Bay is earning that much money, the tourist sector in general earning that much money, you should be spending money back on the facilities. And I'm very pleased with this. Okay, so I am gonna close off this video with a scene from where I started. Again, for those of you who remember, Dump Up Beach in Montego Bay. Dump Up Beach in Montego Bay. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's right. Those of you who remember Dump Up Beach in Montego Bay, this has turned out to be a wonderful park they built here, Harmony Park, at Dump Up Beach. It's no longer Dump Up Beach; it's called Harmony Park. But for those of you who did remember the Dump Up Beach, which was a wasteland, it is now a wonderful, beautiful park. Money well spent on from Montego Bay's tax dollars, and I'm pleased with this. All right, so I want to close off here by thanking you for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and tell someone about them. Thanks again for watching.